Hi everybody, it's Lene from Lene Creates. I thought I would just stop and give you a quick little tutorial on how I make my own crinkled seam binding for my junk journals. I'm using today different kinds of seam binding that I buy at estate sales, thrift shops, garage sales. It's all vintage and it comes in little packages like this. Sometimes you'll also find just partial pieces of it, $1, $2. It's great to pick up. So there's all of these types, which will say non-shrink seam binding, 3 yards. They're pretty typically 3 yards. Non-shrink. They're made of rayon. And then you'll also find some that say iron-on seam binding. The iron-on seam binding is also fine to use, except it has this little bit of, well, iron-on material on the back, and you can peel it off. It does take some effort though. So this is one I just try to avoid unless it's in a fabulous color. And then I'm like, okay, I'm just going to do it. So yeah, you kind of have to pick it off like this. And if you're lucky, it comes off in a large strip, just to be aware of what's out there. But I also pick it up where it's just partial pieces or it's loose like this. Okay. You'll see it's just like a rayon tape, and it comes in all kinds of great colors. And if you want to make it into crinkled seam binding, like I will even buy just this little bit amount of purple, because that's a more difficult color to find. Save these cards. It's great for putting it back on once it's crinkled. This great sort of rose color. And you'll see it's just very, very easy. Now, oh, here's another one. This is an iron-on one, so I'm not going to use that one. That's for another day where I have a little bit more time. Checking, there's another iron-on one. Okay, this one I know is not iron-on. This is a great like taupe color. And it's got a pin in it. So once I get them all sort of piled together, you don't have to worry about working with them and the color transferring, because they are made of rayon and they're color fast. So I just put them in a little heap like this. I'm taking some clean water in a mister. If you don't have a mister, just use a glass of water. And I'm using a glass mat, but just any kind of surface, okay? The color is not going to transfer. So it's just fine to use it on your kitchen counter. And you are literally just wadding it up and just crinkling. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Okay, and so once you've got it into a really nice little tight ball, just put it someplace, and you could, oh, I even missed a pin in there. Lucky I didn't stab myself. So you could put it in the sun to dry. You can just leave it sit out for a few hours. It dries very, very quickly, just like that. Okay, I'm going to show you what that looks like in a little bit. You can also dry it with a hair dryer if you want to speed things along. Now, how do you color it if you can't find the color you want? If you find white, like this, okay, and then I've got one that's a little bit wider, one that's a little bit more narrow. There we go. Here's one. All right, I'm going to take this one, and then once again, we are getting it wet. Like this. Okay, and now I'm just going to take some ink. I'm just using Distress Oxide. It's a water-based ink. So I'm just going to take that and put, and as much ink as you want, that, like if you want a lot of color, use a lot of ink. If you want a little color, and then I'm just going to put a glove on. If you're using a permanent ink, you can absolutely do that as well. You would definitely want to use a glove if you were using permanent ink. And then once you do that, just activate that ink with a little bit more water. And then just sop up that color. And my rule of thumb is you can always add more color. You cannot take it away. So once you get going here, a little bit more color. And the thing about making it your own color and dyeing your own seam binding and crinkling it is that you can control the intensity, and you can match your paper crafting projects really, really easily. Okay, so I've got pretty well colored, but there's some center spots in there. I'm going to help it along a little bit. Just get it a little juicier. And it'll, even if you have sort of a variegated color, it's going to get a little raggy on the edges, and it's going to look a little tie-dyed, which I think is really cool, like that. I'm just going to let this dry in a ball, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. I think I like the picked raspberry the best. It does not have a seam binding, like a bound edge on it. And I think it's great that it frayed. It wrinkled really nicely, and it took the color great. And then the cracked pistachio, it's a little bit thicker, wider. It does have a bound edge on it, or a woven edge. And what I mean by that is has a little bit of a heavy edge on it so that it won't fray. And it didn't crinkle as well, but it took the color great. And then spice marmalade took the color great, crinkled up better, but it also didn't fray. So I think I'm really looking in the future for ones that do not have the woven edge on them. So let's take a look at the ones, how they dried, that were already, this was the color, didn't add any color to them, okay? They all crinkled up really nicely. They all have the woven edge, and their colors were beautiful, and this was a really quick solution, not dyeing anything, just moistening them with some water, crinkling them up, and just letting them air dry, okay? So maybe that's a difference in the crinkle by doing it with a heat gun or a hair dryer as opposed to just letting it air dry. And then finally, this one also did not dye it, came this way, crinkled it. It just didn't take the crinkle as well as the other ones, even though it's the same manufacturer rights, but who knows? It's maybe from a different era, slightly different material, slightly different manufacturing, but I'll still use it, and I'm still really happy to have it. So yeah, let me know in the comments, you guys, if you have ever done this technique, if you like dyeing your own crinkled seam binding, or if you've taken vintage seam binding and just wrinkled it up.